god. Oh my god. It's on fire. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, you're gonna see us installing the seat that we got. It's a cheap little piece of plastic from China, but it actually looks pretty good on the cart. So we have this plate already like kind of mocked up. Julian's gonna finish grinding it, and then we're gonna drill holes and then install it. And it should look something like that. I feel like it ties it all together. It brings it like it gives a little bit of height in the back. And it's honestly a really nice seat, like for this project, because it's a small project, small seat. It all works together. So, you're gonna see us install it in this video. That's probably all we're gonna do this video. We're probably gonna do this video a little bit more in depth than we usually do, because we usually just do time lapses and stuff. But we're gonna do this one in depth. We should be almost done with this thing. So yeah, enjoy this video. Comment down below if you like it more in depth or more time lapse than we usually have it as time lapses. So yeah, stay tuned. Hope you guys like it. Really. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, enjoy this video. Alright guys, so I got this little pipe cut, and this is so we don't really have a lot of metal, because we still need to make a seat hoop, which isn't going to be in today's video. So we're going to have to extend this extra pipe that we had. So we're going to take this right inside, weld it up, and then the second one is also going to be welded onto it, and then it's going to be nice and stiff. We're going to fill up this gap with a nice weld, and then notch how much we need, and that's gonna go above, actually underneath the seat pan, and then the seat will go on top. So now this plate, it's not gonna be bending when there's a lot of weight on the seat. So get that welded up, cleaned up, and then notching. Alrighty guys, so the pipe is welded up, and now we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. It's kind of out of focus, but clean it up and notch it. So alrighty guys, so we got the pipe all put together. We put the little pipe inside so that it like gives it some bracing, or like makes it a little bit stronger. And then Julian grinded it down, so pipe's ready to go, ready to get notched. So we're gonna notch it right now, measure it up, make sure it's good, and then we're gonna weld it up. Then we're gonna weld up the plate that we have here, and then we're gonna drill up the holes, and after that bolt down the seat, and yeah, well, that's our install. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and notch it. So, go. Yeah! Alright guys, so this pipe is notched, very beautiful. As you can see, it moves around back and forth, kind of hot. Beautiful, and then it's gonna be like somewhere right here, probably.
Right underneath the plate. It's not gonna be seen,
But it's gonna be.
Yeah, so this pipe doesn't really have to look beautiful or
But it's gonna
amazing.
serve a big purpose.
Yeah, and it's gonna stiffen these hoops too.
We might put one right here later on.
Yeah, because if
it looks cool.
If you look, it actually looks really nice.
Down there. You could put a license plate on it or something.
Oh, I didn't think about that. Lights.
Yeah, lights from it.
So yeah, this is gonna stiffen up the hoops a lot better because when the engine is running, this thing like it shakes so bad. So
that's gonna
right
be like,
here,
and then this
goes
goes
on
on top.
Gonna weld that up on the sides, and then seat
holes, and then that's gonna be the end of this video.
Yep.
So yeah, we're gonna weld it on right now, and then weld on the plate. So, as you see in the previous clip, we got the little brace straightened out completely, and it looks super cool. And it's gonna serve a purpose where the plate won't wobble, because before it wobbled. So right now it's like absolutely perfect. And then we're just gonna weld that plate up right now, as you're gonna see in the next clip. And then we're gonna drill the holes, bolt it down, and that'll be it.
Oh my goodness. It's on fire. And right next to the camera. Oh my goodness, and it's not going out either. Oh my goodness. It's still on fire.
The way we just both look up and go, oh my god,
oh my goodness. We almost burned our camera.
I know, look at the light, look at the thing. Oh.
Bro, we ruined the tripod of it. Look at it. It's just plastic melted a bit. Oh yeah, I got bugged up.
That was so.
And the phone was recording. It's still on fire.
Wait, let me get it from this side.
Pick it up.
That was so funny.
Oh my goodness.
Alright. That was a pretty good weld though.
There you go. So we got the plate welded on. We're gonna clean the welds up a little bit later, not today. And now we're gonna go ahead and drill holes for the seat and mount the seat. So yeah, let's get the seat on and finish today's video.
Alrighty guys, so we got the holes drilled right now. We kind of just put the seat up. As you saw in the first clip, we put the seat up. We did little pilot holes, and then we drilled with the bigger one. I actually don't know what size this is. I think it's the one smaller than a 1/2. So I think it'd be like a what? Whatever, but yeah, it's the one smaller than a 1/2. 1/2 inch. So hopefully the holes line up. We didn't even check yet. We're gonna get bolts right now, bolt it up, and we're gonna wrap this video up. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, we welded it up. The welds don't look too bad. We bolted it down, and it is so sturdy. But as you can see, it's sturdy down here, but up here, it kind of moves back and forth. So when you're riding, you'll kind of move back. So for the future, we're pretty much done installing weld part. We're gonna do like a back support right here with like a little X. So it's gonna look like a super. It's gonna look like a roll cage sort of kind of design. It's gonna be super cool. It's gonna add a little personal touch to this cart. It's gonna be kind of difficult, but we're gonna do that. So this is the seat install. Welded it up. Pretty nice. Have a bunch of seat room. Foot room. Steering's pretty good. Next video you're gonna see pedal and caliper. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit that notification button, the bell. And yeah, catch you guys on the next one.
And we're gonna leave you guys with a cleaning time lapse just because I don't know why.
Alright, catch you guys on the next one.
Cleaners, get ready. How the fuck is he not dead? I'm sorry.
Wait, actually, might as well burn.